Hello everyone! Welcome back if you are new here. My name is Cami and I am Budget by Cami on Instagram. I just want to introduce a little bit of myself. I am a Canadian cash stuffer since 2022 and we are a one-income household and I'm a stay-at-home mama of one. We are living with my husband's paycheck and some side incomes from Etsy. So today we're gonna be cash stuffing 960 Canadian dollars. This is my first video of 2026 and I hope I can do more this year and be consistent because that's one of my goals this year. So let's start. So we are starting with our month ahead binder and this is our 2026 setup. I just want to say that my son is beside me and he's watching right now. So if you hear some noise, I apologize for that. So let's start. First things first is rent. We need to have 1,400 in here to be a month ahead. So now we are gonna be putting $20. So if you're hearing some side noise, he's watching a potty song. So next is car insurance and this will be getting 10. And to be a month ahead, we need to have 330 Canadian dollars. Next is grocery. So we are not month ahead with grocery, but I'd like to put our budget for this month because I'm just getting weekly to stuff my wallet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, and our monthly budget is 600. So let's get an ugly 5. Okay. So in grocery we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 1, 2, 3, 4, 580, 85, 90, 95, 600. And I'm gonna put the 150 to my wallet right now. Excuse me, I don't know how to do this anymore. I've been cash stuffing off cam, but I don't know how to film anymore, so see? Sorry if you are hearing those noise. My son is playing. So 150 for our groceries. Let's put this aside. Okay. And then the rest will go to this envelope. Next, we have renter's insurance. So this is the smallest thing that we can be a month ahead. That's why I'm stuffing it now. So it has 10 and the rest don't have anything. So we're done with our month ahead binder. Next, we are doing our $1,000 savings challenge, the wildflower savings challenge by Simply Budgeted. So I won this from a giveaway last year and I did get to start with this challenge, but I didn't get a finish. So this year, I want to finish this challenge and put it in a good use. So we are doing $20. How are you guys? It's a new channel for me, so I hope you stick around because some of you have been watching me since last year. Sorry, that's my dog. And if you are from my old channel, I hope you comment below so I can subscribe back and watch your videos. Sorry. So we're done with our savings challenge. Next is our sinking funds. So for sinking funds, We are putting $5. We're skipping citizenship. Seasonal will be getting 5. And it has 10. Next is vision and dental, and this will be getting another $5. And it has another 5. See, I'm just starting my 2026, guys. So you'll watch this grow over time. Annual fee will be getting $10. So annual fee now has $5, $10, $15, $20. And we need $75 this March for our Costco annual fee. Taxes will be getting 5. So taxes now has 10. We are still undecided if we're gonna file our taxes with our CPA or I'm just gonna do it by myself, because my friend does that with his husband, so it saves them money, and I am still undecided with that, because paying for our CPA, I think it's $150 for the both of us, and it's just one income because I don't have any main source of income since last year, since I got pregnant. Okay, next is moving expense, and this will be getting $5. And this is a new envelope for 2026, just because this is the first year that we've been renting. So in case the rent increase or we wanted to move, we have a money for that. So I've been saving up quite, but it has $15. You will grow too. Investment, and this will be getting $5. So this envelope is just for our TFSA. Every time it reaches $50 or $100, I'm gonna invest it to our tax-free savings account. So that's it. Okay, so we're going back to our wallet because I forgot to stop some things. Okay, so eating out, we'll be getting 50, and we're gonna do that with a lot of 5s. 30, 40, 50. Okay, so eating out now has 20, 30, 40, 50. I wanted to get the new A6 envelopes and wallet just because with Canadian bills, you cannot really fold it like the US dollars, that it will not look like this. It looks bulky when you stuff all of the envelopes. So I'd like to get an A6 for that, just because our bills are just like plasticky thing. Kiddo. So the kiddo is for my dog and for my son, but for this cut off, will be for my dog, because I'll buy his dog food. So I need $75 and $20 for his groom. Not groom. We're gonna take him to a bath, and we need to pay 15 Canadian dollars for that. So I need 95, 80, 95. Actually, let's get a lot of 5s and get the uglier one, because this will go back to the bank. Okay, I'm sorry. See, I am not used to cash stuffing it on cam. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 95. So his dog food cost around 75 plus GST, and then $15 for his bath with GST. Okay. Next one is miscellaneous, and this will be getting 45. I do have a lot of fives because my husband went to the ATM drive-through, not to the teller. So 40 and then 5. Okay. So in miscellaneous, we have 20, 30, 45. I need to align my envelope so that it will not get very bulky. See? You can see? It's very bulky. It's very bulky. Oh my gosh. Okay. I really need to save up to buy a new wallet. Okay, now we're done with our everyday wallet. Last but definitely not the least is our variable expense. So in here we're going to stuff gifts. So in gifts I need to put, I think, 50. Let's get the ugly fives. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is when someone has a birthday for our friends or some events. Just like next week, I need to have some funds for this gifts envelope because there's a baby shower coming up and I need to buy some clothes for the baby or some baby things. So gifts now has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I hope I don't deplete this envelope right away. I'm planning to just get, I think, some baby clothes or some essentials in Marshalls or Winners. So it's cheaper but good quality. Next is home decor. So this will be getting, sorry, that's my dog. This will be getting 5. Next is skincare, and we'll be putting $5, and that's all that it has. Household will not be getting anything. Sorry, that's my son. Next is pet care, and this will be getting $5. He's looking at me and say, "Mom, who are you talking to?" Pet food, all good. And then toiletries will be getting $5. Prescription will be getting 5, and I still have the remaining $5. Oh yeah. Okay, so I need to put it in household, sorry. So the remaining $5 will go here. And that's it for our first cash stuffing of the year. Thank you so much. I survived. So I hope you're doing your cash stuffings as well. And happy 2026, you guys. I hope this will be our year that we can be consistent with savings and investing. And I hope to see you again next time soon. So bye for now.